Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Take a tissue paper and make colorful dots on it. Now pour water on it and look, you will get a beautiful pattern. Now make small pieces of it and then draw a butterfly shape and paste all of them on the butterfly like this. And look how pretty this butterfly is looking. Let's draw this beautiful painting. We're going to spread this white color on the sheet of paper and make the flower pot. Now make the flowers using this green and colorful paint. Spread all of them like this and then your flowers are ready. You can also give it shape using earbud and look how pretty this artwork is looking. Let's make this beautiful drawing. We're going to tie a knot on this polythene like this and then we're going to print this flower shape on the sheet of paper like this, and look how pretty these flowers are looking and how easy this technique is. Now add more colors. We are drawing its leaves like this and look, it is ready. You can add more details like this using earbud and look, it is ready. You can also spread some colors like this. Let's make a beautiful bouquet painting. We are going to paint the bouquet using this sky blue color using brush and look, it is ready. Now take a sponge and print it on the sheet of paper and draw flowers using it and look, it is ready. Add more leaves like this and look, it is almost ready. Now we are adding more details. We are drawing a bow like this and look, it is ready. Let's make a beautiful artwork. We are pasting this tree trunk and make lines on it like this using black marker. Draw its colorful leaves. Now we are going to cut these flowers. Draw them on the paper, color it and cut all of them and paste randomly on the tree trunk. We are also adding few clouds and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.